Happy birthday to Joel. His favorite cake is a yellow cake, and Cody volunteered to make it. Cody, think you can do it?
Yes.
Without any help?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
All right. We each have some chores that we're gonna do. Cody is going to make Dad's cake. Okay.
Hide.
You have a job, don't worry. Olivia, you are going to go through and do the bathrooms.
Okay.
Don't forget the laundry room.
Okay.
Boston, I want you to go over and do that laundry. And when you're done with that laundry, come ask me what next.
Yeah.
And Lincoln, come here. I want you to go through the house and I want you to get all of the garbage in one big sack. And while you're picking up the garbage, I want you to pick things up. So if you see something that's out of place, get it picked up and put away. Okay? Okay, you come and do that. Joel, I need you to tell everybody exactly what we did today.
Nothing.
That's right. I accidentally slept in because of the medication I took last night.
Which
I was
you needed.
I was planning on, you know, getting up, but then I accidentally didn't. So Joel got up with the kids on his birthday.
In 2 hours.
Yeah, normally he gets up and goes way early, but you slept in until like normal, like 7, and got up with the kids. And then we took a nice warm shower after you ran some errands this morning. How cold is it outside?
It was 0 degrees this morning.
Negative.
Yeah.
I walked to school in negative.
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
So we took a hot shower, listened to some like nice calming music, and then I gave Joel our Valentine's present.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's. I wanted to give this to Joel on Valentine's Day because we weren't doing birthday presents, you know, because he didn't get me one.
We already discussed this.
Yeah, we weren't going to do birthday presents, which we didn't, but I just felt like you needed this, you know, because of our fight we had the night before last night. Was it last night? Or has it gone on 2 days?
Yesterday.
Yeah, we had a fight and I just really felt like
Quite disagreement.
we had a fight. I wanted something, you didn't want to do it, and I was mad. You were mad that I was mad. And then we went to bed sad. So I felt
Mad equals sad.
yeah, so I thought we needed a little present.
I didn't know where you were hiding this thing.
I'm never gonna tell you.
I don't know this house in and out like you do.
See, and then I apologized, and then he said the rudest thing again. He said, "Hey, pretty girl, I'm sorry. Excuse me? Don't you say that to me in this state. I'll never believe you in any state again."
Hey, pretty girl.
You're not pretty.
Before my procedure, I made sure to have all the stuff I needed for Joel's. I would say one of your favorite meals, yeah?
It is, absolutely.
Okay, we're doing Big ziti. So I cooked the sausage in a pan, and then I put it in here. I don't even have room. This is gonna be a lot. And then I am boiling just some noodles in the same like grease and stuff that was in there for some flavor. And then the only thing you do is you add 2 things of sauce. You add a white sauce, a red sauce, mix it all in, top it with cheese, Big ziti. Really simple. Yeah?
I'm thrilled.
Here's what the sauce looks like, all mixed up. I'm waiting for the noodles to be finished. Girls or guys are gonna take.
So cold outside, so I'm actually gonna put that on here.
I know it is very, very cold, but she needs a walk. Does her sweater match her leash? That's so cute, lady. You look so sweet. Are you ready for a walk? Okay, you guys go for a walk. Oh, it smells burnt. So I let that go as long as I could because the inside was like really doughy. Okay, so really carefully stick it straight down into the center and then pull it back out. Nice! All right, let's take it out.
Mommy, can I make it frozen with you?
Use the hot pads, is that what you want me to do?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I got first it's gonna go.
No, I would not do that. And actually dinner's done. But what I was gonna tell Cody is I would much rather have the inside cooked all the way, and then we can even like cut the brown off if it's like really burnt. Yeah, it's good. Is it good?
Cody, can I think so?
I think so too.
Cody.
It hit him twice. The initial and then the realness of how delicious it is. How come you guys got to lick the beaters?
We helped, and I made the cake.
That's right. You guys were helpers.
We were the only ones up here.
That's right. You're my best helpers, at least for today. Sounds like you're enjoying it.
Oh, can I try some of that?
No, you cannot. Oh, that one's for Dad.
Are you not having it?
No, I can't open my mouth wide enough.
Why not?
I had a very difficult time eating, actually.
Ooh, that tastes so good.
We're cutting the top off, and it's a good thing because this is like hard.
Is that?
You can try the cake when the cake is all the way done. Yes. Okay, so everyone go scoop up your dinner. Very low key. Just scoop up what you need.
Can I help frost it though?
No, I'm gonna frost it while you guys eat.
Oh, Linky, let's don't dump that frosting.
Yep. Go get your dinner, Lincoln.
You go sit at the counter or go sit on a stool.
Hi guys.
You're 37.
Here, will somebody get a spoon and put that for Lincoln? A travel.
That's my Cade and his family wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Oh, that's nice. Tell them thanks. It smells good.
Well, let's hope it tastes good.
Hey.
And the only candle in the house that we could find was this one. Joel is turning 37. We're just missing the 3. It's fine.
Hey, that's the same age as
That's right. Me and Lincoln will just
37.
Yeah.
37.
Okay, let's sing.
Hey, and it's good that we only have one because then that would be the worst to light 37 candles.
Okay, you really gotta think of a wish. Then you gotta tell us your wish.
No, I can't tell you my
You
wish.
have to.
I can't tell you my
I
wish.
have to know.
Who wants a shot to you?
Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Gotta make a wish.
Yay! No, Boston. Yeah.
Now, what's your wish?
I thought it was gonna
For
blow
the house to be dried in a week.
Yeah, that is definitely not gonna happen.
Wish!
I really thought you were gonna blow out candles with your nostrils.
I almost did. I almost went.
Ew!
Just imagine
It wasn't over the whole cake. so
Imagine
it's
as a
okay.
child how you did that and then you just knocked it out.
Okay.
Oh, did you?
Lincoln, go spit it in the garbage. Okay. You know, I don't care what you do with it. He just swallowed it.
Good. Well,
Doesn't match?
it's like bubble gum. It stays in your tummy for 7 years. I made a large deposit a few years back. Thanks, Dolly.
You're welcome. I even cut off, the frosting's a little more runny than normal.
Well, it's because the cake's like warm, yummy. It's actually really good.
Is it good? Joel's favorite
Does it
cake
taste
is
normal?
yellow cake.
chocolate frosting.
When you guys are done with your dinner, you can have some.
I can have some then.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna let you guys dish up your own.
Yeah. You are?
Be respectful.
Responsible, safe.
Be so.
Cody, you're gonna dish up Lincoln.
Here, use this. Yeah, you can what? You just here's a knife. That's fine.
I think I need a knife. Oh, mine.
I gave Dad a huge piece. You don't have to finish it if you don't want to,
I
Joel.
do not need this much. Good.
I'll have it.
No. You want what else?
Right. Nope, there's be
That's a great size of cake.
Okay, my turn.
That's a great size of cake.
My turn. Thank you. No, it's yours piece. Thank you.
That's like the perfect size. I might have even
Cody, you use the here. That's what this is for. Look.
opposite.
Here, look. Yeah, opposite. You can pick up the whole thing like this. Go ahead. Use your finger. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey.
Mom, the frosting is really.
You know, this is just not the best. Next time we'll just do 1 layer of cake. Cody really, no, this is 2 boxes.
Yeah, you
Oh, this is 1 layer.
Mom said piece.
What?
It's smaller than Lincoln's.
Oh my gosh, get your own cake. Well, I think it goes without saying
Hey, Cody.
that we love you and we appreciate you. And you know, this birthday this year is just a little different.
I feel like both of ours were just a little different.
Oh yeah.
Got like
That's
an
okay.
old-fashioned card.
Oh good.
Too ditty.
Open it up. Let's see the whole thing. Nice.
Look at that. Who's that?
Miles.
Yeah, who's that?
Frank.
That's right.
It's done.
I hate your stinking gut.
Tell them how you really feel.
Make me vomit. Wait a minute. I love you so much. If every snowflake that fell at Cherry Peak, that's how much I love you. Oh, that's a big number.
It was Beaver.
We talked about that.
It's countless.
I love you. Thank you for all the RV trips, the four-wheeling trips, and the
dunes.
dunes. That's right. You are the best. Happy birthday.
Dad.
Thanks, bud. That's a really nice card. I love you, bud.
Don't we go to Beaver?
Where's everybody else's?
Well.
There.
I'm gonna keep that.
We're gonna close on your face because it's a lot nicer than mine.
How?
The
Sorry,
kids.
that was so mean.
Yeah, it was. No, just kidding. I know
I'm
it's
so
fine.
sorry.
Cody, what do you think? What are you doing down there? Oh,
Oh, okay. I thought you were like
You don't-
adding topping.
so I thought I was
Bunch of
like,
canned 2 hands, but
Cody, what did you say my lip looked like? A larva.
I'm pretty sure I've seen this on Pop or Dr. Pimple. You just
Oh no.
pop it, it'll be fine.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thanks, Dolly.
You're 37.
We're old.
Now you're my age.
That's right. That's right. I feel like this is the start of our birthdays, just like being
Heck
simple.
no. Oh, heck no.
Yeah, we're gonna just start getting a bag of.
When we turn 40, we're doing something amazing.
we're gonna get each other a bag of M&Ms. Great.
And a bag of hot tamales. That's my,
right.
that's my parents do.
I like it.
Put that over the counter. Are you crazy? Put that over the counter.
Stop jiggling your cake.
Okay. Eat. This year, Joel, is our biggest birthdays yet. We're building a house. That's all I want.
That's all I want.
Yeah. So just because we didn't have like a celebration during the day, we're celebrating every day, honey.
Well, that's why we didn't, because we were just, it was the house. It was, we
Yeah.
wanted everything, efforts, everything to go
And
to the
Joel
house.
just needed a day off.
I'm glad I did. They said they couldn't get the backhoe started at all today.
Great.
So they got their tractor started at like 3. So,
No.
but
Yeah.
poor framers.
Yep. Joel just wanted a day off, and you know what? That's the greatest thing. We took a little nap together, had some pancakes together.
Yeah, I already had my cake today. It was good.
You can have your cake and eat it too.
That's right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mark. Happy birthday to old.
That was so good.
I can hear that all day long.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. That was so nice.
That was perfect.
Thank you.
You like birthdays, huh?